Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today I'm going to answer the question, what do I do if I've been scammed? Before I get to that, if you have any questions for me, if you would like to discuss any issue related to elder law, please reach out to me. You can call my office or you can send me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw.com. Today I received a disturbing telephone call from a woman that I know. She's been a client of mine, but the reason she called me today was that she had been scammed, duped out of a significant amount of money. Now, she's an elderly woman, a woman in her 70s, and she recently suffered the loss of a partner. She and her partner had been together more than 55 years. Someone called her on the phone, pretended to be from a police precinct, pretended to put her on the phone with a detective, and told her that her grandchild had been arrested and was in the precinct and was going to be put in jail. And that the reason she was called was so that she could assist him and post bond. They needed to have a cash bail. Now, the complexity of this scheme and the way in which they pulled the wool over her eyes was terribly unfortunate. Like a 3-card Monte. Someone called her, put her on the phone with the detective, handed the phone to a person that pretended to be her grandson. It was a low voice and said something like, "Grandma, I'm in trouble, could you help me? I can't call my mom." So now she didn't know what to do. She was concerned. She thought she was assisting her grandson. And lo and behold, she was scammed out of significant money. Now, she called the police. The police really asked her, a series of questions. They were not helpful. I don't want to climb on top of the police in this current climate, but 2 officers came to her home, said that this was a job for the detectives, and she was waiting for the detectives. So she called me, and the detectives, I haven't been in touch with them yet, or they haven't been in touch with me. But what I did suggest for her to do, and we're going to take these steps tomorrow, the money may not be recoverable. The phone number they used, the name they gave, all gone with the wind. But in Queens, there is an elder abuse project. It's part of the Queens District Attorney's Office, and it's staffed with social workers, volunteer attorneys, and they work closely with the district attorney to assist people 60 years or older that have been taken advantage of, physically abused or neglected, and financially, and elderly persons that have been duped or scammed, in one of a variety of methods. In another video, I'll give some tips on what can be done, but if you know someone that's been a victim of financial or physical crime, you can reach out to the Queens District Attorney's Office, the Elder Abuse Project. Thank you very much.